Happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. I hope everyone enjoys the holiday weekend coming up if you are celebrating. I am excited to have Monday off of my full-time job and have a long weekend to spend with my family. I hope everyone stays happy and safe, but before we get to enjoying the weekend, I thought I would bring you just another work from home job lead. We'll keep today's video as short as possible. The company Sticker Mule is hiring a customer support agent. Now, they specifically operate from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, so your schedule will be set during that. More on that here in just a minute, but Sticker Mule is the internet's most, it says, kick-ass brand. They're a remote team spread all over the world from top to bottom, and they make growth a top priority for their company. So it says that their customers love their service and they offer flexibility in their workday, and you can work at a sustainable place for a non-stressful work environment. So you'll be responsible for providing Sticker Mule's customers with world-class customer support. They deliver fast, reliable, and efficient service. They only offer support via email and social media, so you have to have outstanding writing skills. This is non-phone. You'll be responsible for customer inquiries in a clear, concise, and comprehensive manner. So you'll respond to the customers via email and using controversial and helpful tone. You'll propose edits and additions to FAQs and their internal knowledge base. You'll suggest opportunities for their product team to help keep the customers happy. So they are looking for someone who has at least 1 year of experience in a customer support role, and someone who has experience working remotely from home already, and someone who has great writing skills. Now, more on the schedule, the 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Their position works on a rotating 2-week schedule. So week 1, you'll work Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and then the next week you'll work Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now, if you're okay with that rotating schedule, they pay $20 an hour and are also offering a $500 signing bonus. They also offer standard benefits such as health and dental, paid vacation, and 401k. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.